What's up, boomers? Back again with me, Putra, on Homemade Studio channel. As we know that at the past, creating some animation, some motion capture was expensive and hard to do because it take a lot of skill and a lot of money to having some motion capture shot. But in this day, I'm gonna be teach you how to having some motion capture animation using a video that you can download anywhere, and you can even make it as your own. Like you can make some video, you can take a shot with some camera or your phone, and you can make that as your mocap using some AI that we're gonna be used this time. So we don't take a longer of your time, guys. Let's jump into the tutorial. Let's go. Yeah, okay guys, in this tutorial, the AI that we're gonna be used was from quickmagic, that we can just log in and we can use any video you have, rather that from YouTube or a video that you shot. So I'm gonna be choose my email. In this case, I'm gonna be do it for you because it's my privacy, guys. And here it is. I'm gonna be use some local video that we have. In this case, I'm gonna be choose some dancing Indian move that we can use, and we can just import that. And here is the video, guys. And yeah, we're gonna be use this one in this case, and I'm gonna be choose some Mixamo model rig, and it's gonna be generate and go at the next, and we're gonna just choose the function selection as the hand and the full body, and the anti-interpenetration was on off, and at the select, the first keyframe of animation is on original pose, and just click generate now. And yeah, just like that, guys. And now we having the move of our video as our mocap. And here it is, guys. Now we have a really accurate movement of our video, and we can just see this and apply this move in our model now. In this case, it was the model from Mixamo, actually. Yeah, just like that. And now we can just download that. And the second thing that we need to do was just open the file that we have been downloaded, and we need to extract this file, this zip file, and choose the FBX and go extract to the place wherever you want. In this case, I'm going to be choose this download, and now we just need to go to the Blender. Yeah, now we here on Blender. After you export the zip, you need to just select everything and delete our object and go to the file, guys, and just choose import and just choose the FBX and go to the place where you export your FBX before. In this case, I'm export the FBX on downloads, and just choose the same file number as the video that you put on the website, and just click import the FBX, and just like that, now you have it. Now you have a model with some rig that follow your video. You can just use your own video, guys, don't forget, and make some anything, even a movie. And I'm gonna be put it on the end, and yeah, just like that. And now our character is just follow our video. Maybe you can just use any model that you want. Just make sure you don't have some already rigged character, or maybe you can just remove the data, the rigged data or everything, and just yeah, place that with the rig. And I'm gonna be maybe just try to do that right now, and I just go to the data and just choose this rest position, and it's gonna be back again at the T pose, like the original pose the rig have. Yeah, in this case I'm going to be use some character from Blender kit. I'm going to be just write it character, just click enter and just filter it with the free first, and yeah, just like that you can just choose any character that you want. I'm suggest you need to add some character with no rig, like this one. Maybe you can just need some more simple character. And for example, I'm gonna be just choose this some astronaut model to make sure we don't have any rig info, so it's not having some kind of error. And yeah, just close and just go to the Y view and just try to fit that with our astronaut. Maybe you need to go to the viewport display and just choose in front to make the rig always on the in front of our model, and go at the edit mode and just make sure you guys you just place the rig at the right position as the astronaut or any model that you have. And make sure you have the same size too. Yeah, I'm gonna be skip this one guys for you because it's gonna be take really long time. And now it's done guys, and you just need to back again to the object mode guys and just select everything, and yeah, just click Ctrl and P, just choose with automatic wake, parent with automatic wake, and just like that, and now you have it. And you can just choose the rig and back again at the pose position, and just like that, now the astronaut is gonna be follow your rig, and just like that. Yes, now we're having some astronaut dancing with Indian dancing. Maybe you can just remove some couple of parts that not follow your rig, and yeah, just like that. It's just be creative guys, use some model that gonna be comfortable with your rig. And yeah, I think that's it, that's all. That is the whole information that I can get to you in this video. And don't forget guys to click some like, comment, write some comment, and ask me anything. Maybe I'm gonna be answer that, and maybe I'm gonna be make that as a video at the next tutorial. And don't forget to click a bell button at the subscribe, and make sure you have the notification when I make another video. And remember guys, your mind now is really the only limit, because we have the AI. And goodbye.